Ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer? The answer lies in the art of investing. Now, one might believe that wealth is a privilege exclusive to the elite, a luxury only a select few can afford. Let's debunk that myth straight away, shall we? You see, wealth isn't a birthright, nor is it a stroke of luck. It's a strategy, a game plan, and the cornerstone of that plan is investing. The rich, they've got this sussed out. They understand that money, like a faithful hound, can be trained to work for them. How do they do that? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. Investing is the tool they use, and it's a tool available to everyone. So, what exactly is investing? In simple terms, it's putting your money into assets that have the potential to generate a return. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. But instead of a tree, you're growing your wealth. Imagine you have a golden goose. Instead of spending all the golden eggs at once, you decide to sell some and buy more golden geese. Now, you have multiple sources of golden eggs. That's investing in a nutshell. But remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment. It's about understanding the market, studying the trends, and making informed decisions. It's about patience and discipline. It's about taking calculated risks. Sure, there will be ups and downs, twists and turns, but the journey, my dear friends, is worth it. Because the destination isn't just wealth, it's financial independence. It's the ability to live life on your own terms. It's the power to shape your own destiny. So don't let the misconception that wealth is only for the privileged few hold you back. You too can harness the power of investing just like the rich do. With a little knowledge, a dash of discipline, and a sprinkle of patience, you can make your money work for you. So, ready to unlock the secrets of wealth? Let's dive into the world of investing. The first secret weapon in your investing arsenal is the magic of compounding. Now, imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger and larger. That's compounding in a nutshell, earning interest on your interest. It's a simple concept, but its power is truly extraordinary. Let's break it down with a simple example. Suppose you have £100 and you invest it at an annual interest rate of 5%. After 1 year, you'd have £105. That's your initial investment plus £5 in interest. Now here's where the magic happens. In the second year, you don't just earn another £5. Instead, you earn interest on your whole £105. So, you'd end up with around £110.25. That might not seem like a huge difference, but let's fast forward 20 years. If you were to simply save that £100 without investing, you'd still have just £100. With compounding, however, you'd have nearly £300. That's 3 times your initial investment, all without lifting a finger. So the key takeaway here is that compounding allows your wealth to grow exponentially over time. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it can grow. And the best part? This growth happens passively. You don't have to do any extra work. Your money works for you. But there's a catch. Compounding takes time. The most significant growth occurs over long periods. That's why it's so important to start investing as soon as you can. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. And here's a pro tip. Regularly adding to your investments can supercharge your compounding growth. Even small, regular contributions can make a significant difference over time. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. The second secret to successful investing is diversification. Now, what does this mean? Diversification, in the simplest of terms, is about not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across a variety of assets, you're essentially safeguarding your wealth. It's the financial version of the age-old wisdom, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You see, each type of investment, be it stocks, bonds, real estate, or perhaps even rare collectibles, carries its own set of risks. And these risks, they do not always move in tandem. When one type of investment is down, another might be up. By diversifying, you're spreading your risk across different types of investments. This way, if one of your investments takes a hit, you've got others to cushion the blow. But diversification isn't just about reducing risk, it's also about balancing risk and return. It's a delicate dance, really. You want to have enough risk to give you a good return, but not so much that you're losing sleep at night. So, how do you achieve this balance? Well, it starts with understanding your own tolerance for risk. Are you someone who can stomach the roller coaster ride of the stock market? Or do you prefer the steady, albeit slower, growth of bonds? Once you've got a handle on your risk tolerance, it's about finding the right mix of investments. Some may offer high returns but come with high risk. Others may offer lower returns but with less risk. The key is to find a combination that works for you, one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. What works for one person might not work for another, but with a well-diversified portfolio, you're setting yourself up for success, regardless of what the market throws at you. Diversification helps you weather the ups and downs of the market. And with that, you've unlocked the second secret to successful investing. The third secret to building wealth is making investing a regular habit. Imagine you're on a journey. This isn't a sprint, nor is it a marathon. It's a long, winding road that stretches out into the horizon. This is the journey of wealth building, and it's not about making one giant leap, but about taking consistent, deliberate steps. Regular investing is like steady footsteps along this road. It's not about trying to predict the market or make a quick buck. It's about consistently adding to your investments over time. This method is powerful because it removes the pressure of having to pick the perfect time to invest. Instead, it's about sticking to a schedule and making regular contributions no matter what the market is doing. Let's talk about a little something called dollar cost averaging. Picture this. You're buying a basket of apples every month. One month, the apples are expensive, so you get fewer. The next month, they're cheap, so you get more. Over time, the average cost of your apples evens out. This is the principle of dollar cost averaging. When you invest regularly, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, the average cost per share you own tends to become smaller. But that's not all. Regular investing also helps to smooth out the impact of market fluctuations. It's like having shock absorbers on your car, helping you ride out the bumps in the road. Think of it this way. The market is a wild ocean, and your investment is a ship. Without regular investing, your ship is at the mercy of the waves, rising high and falling low. With regular investing, your ship is better equipped to handle the ups and downs, staying on a more even keel. Regular investing makes building wealth a part of your everyday life. By making it a habit, you're turning the task of wealth building into something as natural and automatic as brushing your teeth in the morning or turning off the lights before bed. And in the grand scheme of things, that's a pretty powerful habit to have. So we've uncovered the secrets to building wealth through investing. In the grand tapestry of our discussion, we've seen how the wealthy use these secrets to further their fortune. One of these secrets is the power of compounding, a force so potent that Albert Einstein famously called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's the principle that allows your investments to grow exponentially over time, as the returns you earn start earning returns themselves. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, building in size and momentum with each passing second. Then we delved into the concept of not putting all your eggs in one basket. This is a quaint way of saying diversify your investments. By spreading your money across different types of investments, you can mitigate the risks associated with any single one. It's like building a sturdy stool with multiple legs instead of balancing precariously on a single pillar. Following that, we talked about the habit of wealth building. Wealth creation isn't a one-time event, but a continuous process. The act of regularly investing a portion of your income, no matter how small, can add up to a significant amount over time. It's the habit of sowing seeds today that will grow into a verdant forest tomorrow. Now that we've armed you with this knowledge, the next step is to put it into action. Start your investing journey today. Dip your toes into the vast ocean of investment options. Explore stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Each investment vehicle has its unique characteristics and fits into your wealth-building strategy in different ways. But remember, the world of investing is a vast and complex landscape. Continue to educate yourself, keep learning, keep growing. Take calculated risks, make informed decisions, and always stay patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey that promises to be as enriching as the destination itself. Remember, the journey to wealth starts with a single step. Begin your investing journey today and see where it takes you.